Hey there! Are you ready to ditch the 9-to-5 grind and build a career on your terms? With NoCode University, you'll gain the skills to launch a high-ticket no-code and AI consulting business. Imagine working on exciting projects, solving real-world problems, and earning top dollar, all without writing a single line of code. Whether you're a freelancer, consultant, or entrepreneur, this platform equips you with in-demand tools like Airtable and Zapier, empowering you to create automated workflows and custom apps. Don't wait. This lifetime deal is your ticket to a flexible, successful future. What is NoCode University? NoCode University is an online platform designed to help you master no-code and AI skills, even if you've never written a line of code. With hands-on courses covering tools like Airtable, Zapier, and Notion, it equips you to create automated workflows, custom apps, and dynamic websites that businesses need. The platform focuses on practical, beginner-friendly learning, enabling you to build real-world projects while gaining high-demand expertise. Whether you're a freelancer, consultant, or entrepreneur, NoCode University empowers you to deliver premium solutions, transform businesses, and command top rates, all with lifetime access to their comprehensive resources and supportive community. Don't miss out. Exclusive lifetime deal pricing. This is your chance to unlock lifetime access to NoCode University for just $59, an 82% discount from its original price of $325. Here's why this deal is unmissable. One-time payment. Pay once and get lifetime access to all courses, updates, and resources. Comprehensive courses includes Airtable Essentials, Zapier Automation, Notion Masterclass, and more. Exclusive community access. Join like-minded learners to share insights and tips. Don't wait. This limited-time offer won't last forever. Invest in your future today and start building a high-ticket consulting career with the tools businesses need. 6 features that make NoCode University stand out. Learn by doing. Build real projects while you learn. It's the fastest way to gain practical skills. Beginner-friendly. No prior coding experience? No problem. Courses are designed to be accessible and easy to follow. Automation mastery. Learn to streamline workflows with tools like Zapier and Airtable. Businesses will pay big bucks for these skills. High-demand skills. Equip yourself with expertise that's transforming industries. Expert guidance. Instructors simplify complex topics, making them easy to grasp. Lifetime access. Pay once and enjoy continuous updates and support forever. Who can benefit from NoCode University? Freelancers, consultants, entrepreneurs, small business owners, career changers, tech enthusiasts, remote workers. If you see yourself in any of these categories, NoCode University is your ticket to success. Enhance your savings. Grab 10% extra on AppSumo deals. Want to save even more on the NoCode University lifetime deal? Here's the secret. AppSumo is offering an additional 10% off, making this already incredible deal even sweeter. How to claim your extra discount? Head to AppSumo's website and find the NoCode University offer. Enter your email to activate the discount. Check your email for the 10% off code and apply it at checkout. Real reviews on NoCode University. Grab your NoCode University lifetime deal today. So, what are you waiting for? Transform your skills, your career, and your life with NoCode University. Check out the link in the description to explore all the features and grab this lifetime deal before it's too late. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button, share it with friends, and subscribe to the channel for more tech reviews and tutorials. Your no-code journey starts now. Don't miss out.